Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. This is my fork and this is my spade. And this is a series of short videos on my essential gardening tools. I find the fork is brilliant for breaking up the soil surface, and then of course you can continue with your spade doing some digging. Of course, the hope here is that you might see some of my tools and click through to my Amazon storefront and make a purchase, because that will then result in a small commission to me, and all those commissions get reinvested straight back into my YouTube channel, which makes it more sustainable. The brilliant thing is it doesn't cost you any extra to shop through my links, and the other brilliant thing is it doesn't have to be a gardening product. Once you click through, anything you purchase in that shopping session will result in a commission to me. And of course, I say once again, I really do appreciate your support. So please, if you can find time, click through to my Amazon storefront, have a look and have a browse. And if you purchase something, I will get paid some pennies. And thank you very much. I'll see you soon for some more gardening tool adventures. Bye for now.